Hi everyone, Tom here again at strapworks.com. Today we're going to do-it-yourself leashes. Okay, we're going to give you some ideas on how to make your own leashes by the webbing, by the hardware. We'll take care, or well, you'll take care of the rest. Today we're going to use one of our new patterns called Rainbow Puppy Paws. Now you might think it's super easy. A leash has only one piece of hardware, typically a bolt snap. But here at strapworks.com, we do have quite a few choices for you. They include much smaller snaps if you have a small dog. They also include black hardware. This is a standard bolt snap in black. We also have 1-inch trigger snaps. And then we have our beefy snap as well, a little stronger section for stronger pulling dogs. Today what we're going to use, just because it goes so well with our webbing, we're going to choose the 1-inch standard bolt snap. These two should make a very distinctive leash. Okay, so once you have determined your length, add a foot to that length. A 4-foot leash gets 5 feet of webbing, and a 6-foot leash would get 7 feet of webbing. Okay, so if you've ordered 5 feet of webbing from us, it's going to come pre-cut and heat sealed. But on our polyester webbing, there is a little bit of a sharp edge. So you will still want to take a lighter and just run it back and forth near the edge, and that will round it off so that you don't have a sharp edge that's up against you, or up against your puppy dog's neck. Now, on the other hand, if you've ordered, you're going to do 2 or 3 leashes for Christmas and for gifts, and you do need to cut it, a good pair of scissors will do that. And then you bring the lighter back, and again, not necessarily in direct contact with the webbing, just very, very close, and you will see the edges and any sharp portions shrinking back. Now you're ready to go. One of the #1 questions we get here at Strapworks: will my home sewing machine sew through that webbing? The answer is yes, if it's only 2 layers. We have a practice of doing 3 layers because we fold the end back in again and up against the hardware so that you actually have 3 layers going. You can always just do 2 layers, and virtually any home machine will take care of that. If you're thinking of entering the leash making business, you will eventually ruin your home machine because they're not made for the force that this takes time after time after time. I'm going to go ahead and sew the 3 layers. We've used a contrasting thread, both so you can see it, plus a little attractive. Okay, certainly at home and even on our automatic machines, you do get thread ends left over. So we're going to trim those up a little bit as best we can. Then we're going to take the lighter again. And now you have a nice flat section. It's all sealed, won't unravel. Okay, here we do a fold over of 10 inches for the handle end. So basically, measure 10 inches from the end and fold it over. Again, if you do not want to do 3 layers, you're ready to go ahead and stitch. A couple of bar tacks or a homemade box X will work. We're going to do the fold under here. And that's it. All right, everybody, handle end, buckle end. You have now made a leash yourself. Do-it-yourself leashes from strapworks.com.